The LED ultra-thin wafer downlight from Lithonia Lighting. Ultra-thin recessed downlighting with remote driver box for quick, simple, and housing-free installations. There is no housing required. It's rated for wet location. Ultimately, it can be installed anywhere. The LED ultra-thin wafer downlight from Lithonia Lighting comes as a complete unit consisting of two parts, the LED module and the remote driver box. Its low-profile design makes it the ideal solution for locations with shallow plenums. The LED ultra-thin wafer downlight easily installs in the ceiling through direct wiring to a power source. The only tools needed for installation other than a ladder is a saw. A drill saw can be used for exact diameter. Before you begin with the installation process, when working with electrical components, make sure you turn off the power at the main breaker and that your eyes are properly protected. Double check and measure the size of the ceiling hole. Be sure it is the correct size for the outside rim of the luminaire to cover the hole, while still allowing the back of the luminaire to secure to the ceiling with the springs holding firmly. If a new hole is to be cut, use the provided hole template or drill saw with the diameter needed. Mark your center and then cut the opening with the saw. Pull electrical wire and cut length needed. Open the cover of the remote driver box and remove one of the knockouts. Locate the power supply leads from the remote driver box and connect to power source using the provided Wago connectors. Connect the black wire to the live wire, white wire to neutral wire, and green wire to the ground wire. Secure each with the Wago connector. Be sure all connections are made inside the driver box. Close the cover of the driver box. Place the remote driver box through the cutout hole and lay it on the ceiling. Pull the spring clips on the fixture up and through the cutout hole. Place the module in the hole, making sure the spring clips are holding securely. Turn on the electricity at the circuit breaker box. Turn the power in the room back on and be sure the module illuminates. This completes the installation of the LED ultra-thin wafer downlight from Lithonia Lighting.
For over 100 years, Lennox has been the gold standard in cutting, helping tradesmen stand out on the job by delivering tools with longer life, superior durability, and faster cutting even in the most difficult cutting applications. Now, Lennox has done it again, introducing the new Speed Slot Hole Saw with T3 technology, designed to give you 50% longer life and 2 times the durability. The new Speed Slot Hole Saw delivers improved metal cutting performance with larger, sharper teeth that easily penetrate the toughest metals. The patent-pending tooth design is optimized for longer life and faster cutting. The saw's wall is now 10% thicker, increasing strength and durability, whether you're cutting sheet metal, pipe, or tubing. The added durability helps you cut through the toughest materials. Even black pipe or stainless steel won't slow you down. The new Speed Slot Hole Saw with T3 technology. Try one today.
Welcome to Bridgeport's Product Information on Demand. My name's Eric Sarasale. I'm the Technical Sales Manager at Bridgeport Fittings. Today you're going to see Bridgeport's Mighty Right split grounding bushings, a truly unique bushing that can easily be installed before or after the conductors have been pulled. Mighty Rights are UL listed to UL 514B and UL 467. Come on, let's get started. Let's take a look at the construction of the patented Mighty Right split grounding bushing. The two-piece hinge body is made of a zinc die-cast alloy. The insulator is a heat-stabilized nylon to 150 degrees C. The hardware is zinc-plated steel. The clamp screw has a captive nylon washer, and the aluminum lay-in lug is tin-plated. Mighty-Right bushings are suitable for use with threaded rigid metal conduit, intermediate metal conduit, or threaded fittings. To install, simply open the split grounding bushing, position it around the conductors, ensuring 2 full threads of engagement. I recommend that you set the bonding screw, position the clamp screw, and the lay-in lug screw for easy access. Tighten to torque requirements that are clearly listed on the carton labels. Now that you've seen how easy it is to install Bridgeport's Mighty-Right split grounding bushing, let's take a look at a few applications. Here we have a main distribution panel with a service entrance raceway that's required to be grounded and bonded. Also, 2 2-inch raceways going to sub-panels that are more than 25 feet from this main distribution panel. They too have to be grounded and bonded per Article 250 of the National Electrical Code. A structured wiring application, specifically at data communications. I was able to install our 1-inch split grounding bushings without having to disconnect or pull back any of my Cat 6 cabling. None of my information systems were down. As you can see, Bridgeport's Mighty-Right split grounding bushing is the right fitting for any job. So thank you again for participating in this session of Bridgeport's Product Information on Demand.
Introducing Eaton's Easy Panel factory assembled panel boards, available through the Distributor Power Stock Panel Boards Stocking Program. Traditional distributor stocked panel boards come unassembled, relying on contractor assembly, often at the job site. Eaton's Easy Panel is delivered in one package, simplifying selection, delivery, and installation. The Easy Panel saves time for panel board configurations with field-installed bolt-on type BAB, GHB, or GHQ breakers. Also, the Easy Panel reduces cost by lowering installation time, labor, and on-site coordination. You can simplify specification because the Easy Panel comes in 4 primary box sizes and common circuit breaker configurations with a single catalog number. And since Eaton does the assembly, you will minimize error, ensuring reliable operation and accurate installation. To learn more about Eaton's Easy Panel panel boards, visit eaton.com/easypanel.
Helping secure and protect modern commercial and retail applications requires advanced video surveillance technology that delivers unmatched performance. The innovative TrueVision line provides comprehensive video coverage with IP and analog components that produce premium-level picture quality while being scalable and easy to use. TrueVision cameras set the standard for high-resolution image capture to protect schools, businesses, and public spaces, even in the most demanding environments. Feature-rich digital and network recorders and IFS network switches deliver real-time recording that can be viewed remotely from a smartphone or tablet. An open platform video management software is backwards compatible and user-friendly for easy adaptation and use. TrueVision video solutions deliver exceptional value to commercial applications with digital monitoring that protects people, property, and the bottom line.